Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your last scene on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. This also works on iPads. Now, once you are inside WhatsApp, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down a little and tap on privacy. Next, tap on last seen and online. Here, under who can see my last scene, you'll see a few options. If you want no one to see your last scene, just select nobody. But if you want only your friends and family to see it, choose my contacts. That way, only the people saved in your phone book will be able to view your last seen status. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.